I'm going to show you how to create an advertising banner that you can publish on the internet and drive traffic to an affiliate opportunity or whatever you want. Well, it's very easy. Here's a free website that you can build it online. It's called BannerFans.com. As you can see in the top left-hand corner, BannerFans.com. Now, let me recommend go ahead and signing up for a free account. So click sign up and get yourself a free account. I'm going to go ahead and click login, and then I'm going to log into my account. Now, the reason I think you should get a free account is because they will publish it on this website. So if you need a URL of your published banner, they're going to do it for you on here. So otherwise you're going to have to save it to your computer and maybe publish on your blog or something like that, and that's fine too. If you're going to do it that way after you create your banner, then you do not need to log in. But anyway, it's free, and they've never sent me any junk email to my knowledge, so I've been pretty happy with BannerFans. Okie doke. Now, any changes you make to this template here, you have to click Update Banner, and it will display the changes. So the first thing, let's change the size. Let's go to a real common size called Full Banner, which is 468 pixels wide by 60 pixels tall. Okay, I just changed it, but it doesn't show the changes until you click Update My Banner. Boom, you can see the changes. Now, right now, it's going from a darker blue fading down to a lighter blue. As a matter of fact, they're calling it a gradient, which goes from black down to a lighter blue. Now, to show you that you can change that to whatever you want and be creative, I'm going to click that black so it won't go from a darker blue. It's going to go from red. I'm going to click in this red area, put that target zone right there, boom, and then click Update Banner. And look, you can get crazy and psychedelic if you want. You can change the fade using these features. If you want, instead of using colors for the background, you want to use a photograph, you can come here and click Browse on your computer, go find the file on your computer, and you can put a photo in the background there. Let's just keep it real simple. Instead of a gradient or a photo, I'm going to use a solid color, and I'm going to choose red. That's a real nice, loud, attention-getting color for advertising. Click Update My Banner. That's kind of a pinky color. I wanted to get more of a red, so go right there maybe. All right. Yeah, that's kind of a loud blood red. Now, if I hover over these texts, you see it creates that X pattern of arrows crisscross. If I hold my index finger down and left click on the mouse, I can drag this to wherever I want as long as I'm holding my index finger down. If I go to this second type down here, I can do that with it as well. Well, I don't like script. I think it's difficult to read, so I want to stand out when you're dealing with a very busy page. So we change the background, we change the size, things like that right now, the color. But now I want to change the font. So you go from layout to text and font, shadows and effects, border, and format. All of these you can change. Now, I am using Windows 7 operating system and some kind of Internet Explorer browser. I found that a lot of these features wouldn't work until I click this broken page. It's called the compatibility button or something like that, and I think it emulates older sites, and I think BannerFans was created for Windows XP, and I had to click on this until it turned blue, and then a bunch of these features started working. So if you have that same issue, click that until it turns blue up here in your browser. This is your URL address bar, and you see a magnifying glass for search, and then it's this torn in half page. When you click it, it turns blue, and it stays blue as long as you're using it. So now I'm going to go to Text and Fonts, and line 1 is this top one, and they're using Kaufman Bold Italic. I'm going to switch that to a stock category right here. These are all script. I'm going to use stock. Whoops. Click right here under Face Font. Click stock. Yeah, I'm going to use Arial Black. It's real bold and fat and straightforward. All right, now in order for that to be seen, I have to click Update My Banner, and boom, there it goes. All right, so I think white's a little washed out looking, so for the top coloring of the lettering, I'm going to choose just a real loud yellow. All right, in order to see that displayed, I got to click Update My Banner. There we go. And I think the tagline here is a little difficult to read, so I'm going to go from Merced, and I'm going to go to stock category, and this time Arial bold rather than Arial black, and then click update my banner. There you go, and I'm going to drag that to the middle there. Now one thing you can do that can make that lettering stand out a little bit more is now click on the next tab and do shadows. Line 1 is obviously your top one, then line 2 is your bottom. Now when you click on this arrow, it says which way do you want the shadow to fall. I want it to go and like the light is coming from the top right and the shadow to fall to the left. So I'm going to click for the shadow to fall on the bottom left. Alright, I did that for the top one, bottom left. I'm going to do it for the second line as well, bottom left. Alright, now it's not really displaying much of a shadow here, so for the top big bold one, I'm going to choose 3 pixels for the top line and then click update, and I think you'll see it'll pop out a little bit louder. There you go. And for the second one, I'm going to use 2 pixels. I think 3 pixels is a little too bold for smaller type font size or pixel size fonts. Click update. There you go. And it makes it stand out a little bit. Now, if you want a border, you can, I think it looks fine the way it is, but if you want a border, you can put a border around it like a solid line or dotted lines like a coupon. You could do it. I'm just going to leave it on none. And format, I'm not even sure what that does. Oh, I'm just going to save it in a JPEG, which is real common. It's also in a small banner. GIF files are real common, but any of these 3 formats. But I'm going to use a JPEG. Pretty much any browser can handle that, and there we go. So if I didn't have an account here, I could click download this banner, and I could download it to my computer. I'm going to call this BannerFans, whatever that number is, test. It's going to save it to my computer. I can go publish it anywhere I want, and there we go. Alright, so it's on my computer. However, what I'd like to do, since I did log into my account, I am now going to save this by clicking Save Banner, and it's going to save it on this BannerFans website under my account. They're going to ask me what I want to call it, so I'm just going to call it Your Banner. Alright, and I'm not going to overwrite another one, so this will create a new banner. And as far as target URL, I just leave that blank and let them fill that in for me. I have to put in the CAPTCHA code here. It looks like it's 2ZDA. Whoops. 2ZDA. Oh no, it's H. H. Okay. I'm going to click Save Banner, and it's going to remember it on this website. Okay, it has now saved the banner. So in order to see it, I'm going to go over here and click Banners, and there's your banner. So let's click on it there. Now I'm going to need to grab the banner code right here, and if you want to see the URL where it's published, you go to the bottom right, and I'm going to click Allow Access. It's going to allow me to save a copy of that, but I want that bottom right hand corner link, and let me show you what that'll look like. It'll look like a page like this, but I'm going to paste it and then go to it. Alright, so this gives me this link right here, and let me show you where you put that. Like, here's a website where you can publish it. This is for the URL, so I would put this URL that ends in .jpg, which puts this photo of this banner we just made. I would grab this, copy it, and if I want to publish it on this website called Ad Hit Profits, under the banner URL, I'd put it right there. And then when people click on it, you want to put them your affiliate link here. It doesn't matter what website, anywhere you publish it, it's just going to simply display that photo. But when they click on the photo, it's going to take them to your affiliate link, which is your target URL. So you need to go get your affiliate link and put it there. But where it displays the photo, it could be any website in the world, it doesn't matter. But what's important is that once you click update, you can see your banner is published up here. And so if you're dealing with Ad Hit Profits or something where you're wanting to get views and people to click on your banner and get traffic, you would come here to set up directory listing right here, and it's going to give you this, and you click edit. and that's where you get these blanks to fill in. Now you can test it by clicking on your ad, and it should take you to your affiliate site. So let me do that. Yes, and it takes them to my affiliate site, and there's my affiliate ID RevShare Pro. So if they sign up for this Extreme Cash Box, they would be a distributor of mine. As a matter of fact, I did get somebody to sign up using this system. So that's pretty much the basics of it. I hope that helps. You're welcome to ask a question or two. The other option is, I can log in on my website, which is a WordPress blog, and I click Media, and I can publish this by clicking Media, and I click Add New right here, Add New, and then I can go publish that. Where's that demo file? I think I called it Your Banners or whatever. Where was it? Let's just say it was this one right here, Test Banner. Okay, it just uploaded. Then I click Edit. You see a little indication that you've uploaded. Then I click Edit. And then to get this URL, I don't use this one here. I come over here to the far right, and I copy that. And to show you what that looks like, I'm going to put it up here and go to it. And that's another URL that you can get. So you would use that URL, and I publish that on my RevSharePro.com website. So that's two different ways you can do it, but why not just take advantage of the BannerFans account and then get this code down here in the bottom right. Pretty cool, guys. Hope that helps. You're welcome to ask questions. Have a great one. Hope this makes a difference.